Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi Dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue Dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dashcam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dashcams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G-sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC Dashcam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road. Visit cobra.com/dashcams to learn more.
What if your rear-view mirror were more than a mirror, but an intelligent device? What if it could also show you the front and rear views and record it? Introducing the Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Capture important traffic incidents with a wide-angle lens and high dynamic range night vision. M1's front camera captures 1296p Full HD video and records audio inside the cabin. The large touchscreen display is multifunctional and easy to use. The built-in gravity sensor auto-detects collisions, and M1 immediately records any accidents, even when the ignition is off. The emergency video lock feature ensures that critical recordings won't get overwritten. As a dual-camera system, M1 also has a rear camera. The rear camera is waterproof and temperature-resistant. A wide-angle lens and real-time streaming helps you reduce blind spots. Regular firmware updates and product support means you can enjoy feature enhancements and improvements in performance and security. Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Engineered for quality. This is life. And accidents happen. This is the Rexing V1P dash camera, your roadside eyewitness. Capture vehicular events to use as evidence when you need it. V1P simultaneously records from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera captures video in full HD resolution and at 30 frames per second. With ultra-wide-angle lenses, V1P captures more than what your eye sees. V1P provides clear visibility of the light and dark areas in your videos because it auto-adjusts the exposure settings as needed. Capture clear videos even at night. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you to view, save, and share your videos wirelessly on your mobile device with the Rexing Connect app. V1P is powered by a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to the lithium-ion battery, and it features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. V1P automatically starts recording when any shaking or movement is detected, even when your car is parked. When the gravity sensor detects collision, it automatically locks your video to prevent overwriting. Never drive without an eyewitness. Rexing V1P. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.